Alright, today we're talking about a car that doesn't need to scream to get attention, even though it could absolutely could. This is the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS, and yeah, it's not just a Cayman with a wing, it's a full-blown weapon. One of the most focused and fun to drive Porsches out there right now. This Porsche GT4 RS, aka Baby 911 that grew up, hit the gym, and now walks around shirtless with a protein shake in one hand and a track lap time in the other. This isn't your yoga mom Cayman. It got a wing so big you could dry laundry on it. But it's not just for show. The whole car is sculpted by the gods of downforce. Air ducts everywhere, and carbon details absolutely all the way around. That rear diffuser looks like it could vacuum seal the road. And after all this amount of details, boom! You got these satin dark blue wheels that totally pop in the right lighting. It's one of those combos that doesn't sound right on paper, but looks mean as hell in person. They've got that aggressive, almost motorsport vibe. And inside, it's all straight up focused. You get full carbon bucket seats, not the fake sporty stuff, the real deal. They hug you like a race harness, and somehow they still manage to be comfortable. The shape of the bolstering just works. Minimal distractions, lots of Alcantara, and weight saving everywhere. Even the door pulls are straps. It's loud, raw, and connected. If you're after luxury, this isn't it. But if you want to feel the drive, every bump, every rev, you're at home. Oh yeah, and the noise doesn't stay outside. It moves in with you. Time has come. But what are you waiting for? The engine is not at the front. Decent front boot space though. This is the juicy part. A 4-liter naturally aspirated flat 6 from the GT3 is screaming to 9,000 RPM. It's paired with a PDK that is faster than your ex ghosting you. Upshifts slap, downshifts bark, and its mechanical magnet. Mid-engine, low weight, and suspension tuned by someone with zero chill. The GT4 RS feels like a race car that somehow passed registration. There are air scoops just behind your ears, so it's literally shouting at you when you floor it. You dive into corners and it wants more. It flirts with the limit and never bites back. You're always in control, but it still feels wild. It's the kind of car that makes you grin like an idiot. Practicality? No. You've got a frunk that fits a toothbrush and that's about it. Road noise? It's loud. Comfort? Only if you're into firm love. But none of that matters, because the second you hear that engine wail behind your head, you'll forget traffic, weather, and even your rent. Black paint, blue wheels, carbon seats, huge wing. These cars speak chaos with German precision. It's raw, it's rare, and ridiculously addictive. This is about connection, about driving purity. It's a GT3 experience squeezed into something smaller, lighter, and even more fun on regular roads. The GT4 RS is a daily able track car that doesn't compromise on the thrill. Would I buy it? 100%, especially in black with those dark blue rims. It's low-key brutal. This Porsche doesn't pretend to be polite. It shows up loud, unapologetic, and ready to throw down. And honestly, I respect that. Would I daily drive it? Probably not. Would I sell a kidney for it? Honestly, I'm considering it. Make sure to watch this full video and let me know, is this the real Porsche for the purists? Or is this just a 911's angry little brother that finally snapped? You can click on the left of this screen to compare this GT4 RS and the GT3 Touring we had last week. So let me know. If you don't like any of them, just have a look on my channel. I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you will love.
Ladies,